Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a recording to your notes on the Google Keep application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now if you feel like to do so, you can choose a note that you have already created from these ones displayed at the home page of the application, or you can also create a new document and then add the recording to that note by tapping on this plus icon down below in the right corner of the screen. Now click on this plus icon in the middle of the screen, then choose the recording option, which is the fourth one. Now, as you can see, the voice notes require your microphone access. In order to do that, you need to go to your settings by tapping on the settings button down below. As you can see, you need to allow the Google Keep to access your microphone. So tap on this button next to the microphone saying. So if you go back to your application and repeat these steps, you will be able to add your recording to your notes. So now we have created a recording that we have added here, and you can play it by tapping on this play button, and if you feel like to do so, you can also delete it by tapping on this bin icon. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.